In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Favicon logo on Blogger. If you want to update the small icon that appears in your browser tab for your Blogger site. This process is quick and straightforward. Changing your Favicon is a simple way to make your blog look more polished and recognizable, especially if you want your branding to stay consistent across your site. To begin, go to your Blogger home dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your blog and access all of Blogger's tools and settings. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see the menu with different options for your blog. From that left side menu, click on Settings. This is where Blogger keeps many of the configuration options for your website, including the area for updating your Favicon. Take your time here and make sure you're in the correct blog settings if you manage more than one site. After the settings page opens, find the option labeled Favicon and click on it. This will open the section that allows you to replace the current icon with a new one. The Favicon is a very small image, so it's best to use a clear and simple design that still looks good at a reduced size. Next, click on Select Icon File. This will open your device's file browser so you can choose the image you want to use. Make sure the file you plan to upload is easy to locate before you start, as that can make this step faster and smoother. Once the file browser opens, select the Favicon image from your device. Choose the image you want Blogger to use as your new tab icon. If possible, use a file that is clean, square, and easy to recognize, since very detailed images may not display clearly at such a small size. After selecting the image, the final step is to click Save. This confirms the change and updates your Favicon in Blogger. Once it's saved, your new icon should be applied to your blog. Keep in mind that Favicon updates may not appear instantly in every browser because of caching. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or check again after a little while. And that's it. Your Blogger Favicon has now been updated successfully.